Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I'd like to show you Galaxy Watch 46mm finally got one UI update 1.0 to 1.5. Okay, let's check what's the difference between them. Before updating, I'd like to check the existing One UI 1.0. Maybe the function menu is more easy to access, and I hope notification is more easy to be seen when you put your wrist up toward your face. Now sometimes it does show to me, but sometimes it doesn't show the notification to me, so I hope it to be modified, more improved. And I also want the accuracy of step count and the sleep tracking to be more improved, I hope. Right, so let's update it. And it says Samsung voice assistant Bixby becomes new, so I hope it's worth using in Japan. Update is available. 1 week ago, I called Samsung Japan when it's going to be updated in Japan, and the answer was that no plan. But finally, on the New Year day of 2020, update just has come. So I don't know why the support center didn't know that. But anyway, let's do it. Update. Now it's updating. It took about 50 minutes till now. Still updating. Alright, finally updated. Okay, let's check. Oh, functions are now bigger than before, and I think long press and position change. No position changing, just disabling and adding. No press change. Oh, okay, location could be changed with long press. Alright, this is 1 point. And what else? Notification becomes I think better. Each time I raise up my wrist, it shows the latest one to me. I'm very happy with this. Not that much change, but I've heard timer. Preset timer, no preset timer. Alright. Stopwatch. No change. Bixby finally become better. Bixby Voice isn't available in your country, in Japan. Alright. Okay, let's see the daily usage and how it improves. I have also uploaded the comparison with HuaweiWatchGT2 and this one, so please also check my channel. If you like this video, please press good button and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.